वो मतलब वो 12 साल अगर 2.5 घंटे में अगर आ सकते हैं तो वो वैसे वाली फीलिंग थी. And it was just too good to be true. It's been really a blessed year. Now I feel the hunger even like 100 times more when Munjya got the love which it deserved, or I mean it जो भी मिला. उससे ज़्यादा funny चिराग होता क्या है कि when people see me and they say कि नहीं they don't realize कि अच्छा मैं कह रही यहाँ थोड़ी होगा. but I do tend to be on all these places and it is something. मतलब वो एक ऐसी चीज होती है यार, अगर बाहर जाने में अगर आपको लोग सराउंड कर रहे हैं, आपसे फोटो मांग रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं, तो you have done something right. क्योंकि I was studying something, I was pursuing BBA and I was in the middle of it and I realized that it is not for me. I want to be somewhere else. I want to give my energy, or I want to, like, that just wasn't feeling the right place where I wanted to be. अब मैं मुंबई वाला हो गया. हाँ.
Hello and welcome to Showsha. My name is Chirag, Sehgal, and joining me today is actor Abhay Verma. Thank you so much, Abhay, for joining us. How are you?
It's my pleasure and I'm fantastic.
To begin with, we have a small surprise for you. There's this video message. This is for you.
Hi.
This is your brother.
कोई वीडियो के लिए बोलता है तो there's so much in my heart, but हमेशा बोलते हुए वर्ड शॉर्ट ही पड़ जाते हैं. All I want to say is that we all are really proud of you. Mama, me, I'm sure Dad, just keep doing what you do, man. You are an amazing actor. बहुत मेहनती है तू. तेरे और वो तेरे काम में दिखता है. How hardworking you are, how focused you are, and just be that way. Be grounded as always. Respect and keep going, man. Keep going. मुझे नहीं लगता तेरे जैसा कोई एक्टर इस टाइम इंडस्ट्री में है. And I can
बड़ा भाई
proudly say that. All the very best for your future, and I am very lucky and I'm very blessed to have you as my brother, my younger brother. I love you and wish you all the very best for your future. Waiting for many trophies. So all the very best. I love you. Bye.
Yeah. तो एक बड़े भाई का मैसेज. Very sweet of him.
Yeah,
I must say it was very last moment, and he was also, I think, in some no network area.
Yeah,
but,
correct.
But somehow it worked out.
Yeah. अरे यार सॉरी, फेस टू फेस क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं सब?
फेस टू फेस भाई शर्मा जाते हैं ना.
करेक्ट. नो बट ही डजंट रियलाइज कि आज मैं जो भी हूँ इन्हीं की वजह से ही हूँ. He was the one who first came to Bombay and then I came. And to have a roof over your head on the first day itself in Bombay, मतलब वो इनके 3 रातें वो जो पार्क के बेंच पे इन्होंने बताई हैं, उसकी वजह से मेरे सर पे एक रूफ है और तभी मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ. But he doesn't realize this, of course, elder brother. But yeah.
But we'll come to the Bombay bit a little later. 2024 has been a blockbuster year for you. Your life has changed drastically this year. Do you remember the first time जब आपने मुंजिया बिग स्क्रीन पे देखी थी?
I remember that I couldn't see it in premiere. जब premiere हो रहा था तो शर्वरी अंदर जा रही कह रही चलना है. मैंने कहा यार मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, मैं नहीं देख पाऊंगा ऐसा. मोना मैम बोल रहे हैं क्या बिट्टू चल, सब बोल रहे हैं कि चल ले. मैं अंदर गया बट थैंकफुली कोई गेस्ट आ गए तो मैंने कहा चलो. वो दिन आपका ऐसा होता है कि आपने घर पे मेहमान बुलाए हैं तो मेहमानों को पहले आप ऑफ कोर्स, तो वो बैठे, मैं गया. आई वाज सो रिलीव्ड बिकॉज आई जस्ट कुडंट हैंडल इट यार. एक तो मैं थिएटर मतलब एक्चुअल जो सिनेमा हॉल है वो एक फिल्म देख के इंस्पायर होके आई वांटेड टू बिकम एन एक्टर. तो जस्ट टू बी इन दैट थिएटर एंड मेरा चेहरा है और पीछे किसी का म्यूजिक बज रहा है एंड डायलॉग्स आर गोइंग एंड क्लाइमैक्स बिल्ड हो रहा है, सब कुछ. इट वाज जस्ट टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. आई जस्ट कुडंट टेक इट. बहुत दिनों बाद. और एक मुझे याद आता है, मैं ना फ्राइडे को रिलीज हुई थी फिल्म और मैं मंडे को टिकट देख रहा था, तो मंडे को भी मुझे टिकट नहीं मिल रही थी मेरी ही फिल्म की. तो मुझे इतनी खुशी हुई वो ये जान के. एंड देन फिर फाइनली मैं ट्यूसडे को फिल्म देखने गया था 4 दिन बाद अपनी. एंड मैंने बहुत राहत की सांस ली. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज ओवरवेलमिंग. at many levels. वो मतलब वो 12 साल अगर 2.5 घंटे में अगर आ सकते हैं तो वो वैसे वाली फीलिंग थी. And it was just too good to be true. It's been really a blessed year.
But अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि what are those two things जो प्री मुंजिया रिलीज और पोस्ट मुंजिया रिलीज आपकी लाइफ में अब चेंज हो गई हैं, so what are those two things?
तो पर्सनली बोलता हूँ. हाँ. दोनों चीजें. फर्स्ट थिंग, how do I say it? आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फील होती है एक्चुअली, like what responsibility an actor or an artist has in this country or in the world, you know. And I also felt ki I was hungry enough for work. I wasn't. Now I feel the hunger even like 100 times more when Munjya got the love which it deserved, or I mean it jo bhi mila. And now I feel ki now I have, the hunger has grown on so many levels. I can't tell you. I'm not able to put it in words. I'm so sorry. And the second thing is that I knew who my God was, but I didn't know how to pray. Now I know how to pray and what to pray for.
That's a beautiful line.
Yeah. So now I know what to pray about and what to ask from my God, which is the God and which is the audience which has given me this love, which rarely happens. I mean, you do not vouch for a new person just by a film which has come. It takes years and years and years and years to come. And for people to love you like that. And when I watched the film, I saw it 4 times in theaters. I mean, not to say कि मैंने नहीं देखी, but of course मैं last दिन जब वो लगी थी तब भी मैं गया एक बार लास्ट बार देखने के लिए, थिएटर पे देखता हूँ. तो तब भी लोग हंस रहे थे, चिल्ला रहे थे, क्लाइमैक्स के लिए रूट कर रहे थे, बिट्टू बोल रहे थे. तो it just felt very surreal and I was emotional throughout the last day when I watched the film alone.
But this fame, has it also made stepping out in public places very difficult for you?
I wanted that difficulty.
You wanted?
I really wanted that difficulty. I really wanted. बहुत टाइम से मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कब मैं बाहर जाऊं और मुझे लगे कि यार नहीं आना चाहिए बाहर अब. But ऐसा नहीं है. I really want to step out wherever I can, and I do. People find me in ISKCON. People find me having a vada pav somewhere if I feel like. And people find me all different places. And और बहुत उससे ज़्यादा फनी चिराग होता क्या है कि when people see me and they say कि नहीं they don't realize कि अच्छा मैं कह रही यहाँ थोड़ी होगा. but I do tend to be on all these places. And it is something, मतलब वो एक ऐसी चीज होती है यार, अगर बाहर जाने में अगर आपको लोग सराउंड कर रहे हैं, आपसे फोटो मांग रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं, तो you have done something right. So that has always been the feeling from before. So now I'm in a part of it. I don't realize it as much as my family does. So because I'm in thick of things or हो रही हैं चीजें, so you don't have the time to actually see the other side of it. But my hometown people, my friends, my family, they tell me कि यार ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा. Just very thankful. I
but
feel very short.
What keeps you grounded despite this massive fame up?
The fame itself. The fame itself keeps me grounded. The fame itself, because let's say practically, I mean, if I was a version of Abhay Verma who got this fame, who got this love, who got this appreciation, then why would I need to change? I don't feel the need to change if I'm getting a lot of love like that. And of course, you keep changing for the better. But I don't know if it's grounded. I don't know what version of me I am, but yeah, I mean, nothing is allowing me to change in a very drastical way that has happened. कुछ गलत हो रहा है या कुछ सही हो रहा है. I think mostly situations have been in favor, touch wood, in terms of films, in terms of how people are receiving me, in terms of how we are talking on a very healthy note. And so all of these things is culminating into a very positive thing for me, everything.
But is there also this constant pressure of losing this fame? कि what if कल ये नहीं हुआ?
Not really. I would like to quote my idol over here, Shah Rukh sir. That कि क्यों नहीं होगा कल? होगा. कल भी ऐसा होगा, परसों भी वैसा होगा और उसके बाद भी वैसा होगा. You have to believe it to be able to make it happen. So I believe it every day. I want to, he said, and I just follow half of the things and 90% of the things which he says I follow, and it's one of the thing.
Yeah.
And it's as simple as that. I have to believe it for myself to make it happen. And not that I would say कि मैंने 100 crore की picture नहीं imagine की थी अपने लिए होती भी. Of course मैंने की थी. But thankfully it came to me in a very early stage. So dreams are very exciting when you see them, but when they actually happen, they're scary. So it scared me when it happened. And that's why I told you that I know what to pray about, because I'm scared to lose this. And I know my supreme power will help me in some or the other way. And whatever will happen for good. But right now, just very thankful and fortunate.
But pressure लगता है since you mentioned Shah Rukh also, you're working with Shah Rukh in one of your next films. Do you ever feel this pressure कि यार what the next project will be, वो भी इतना accept किया जाएगा audience से?
So we are in a fortunate time, Chirag, where I believe that you don't have to pretend to be someone else to be able to act better or be better or receive that fame. Like I'm happy telling my story that I am from Panipat. So that people who are roaming for auditions in Aram Nagar, while I'm here talking with you, they get a sense of hope, which they do, which I keep getting messages and I keep talking to them. And it's the most beautiful feeling when you can give hope to some other person. It's like you're putting life into someone else bit by bit. Like I used to see some actors when I used to stand in the line, and some renowned actors would come and they would test for some or the other part, and that would keep me going. That would make me feel. Some of the other day, I met a person in Aram Nagar. I was there for some work, for audition, for meeting. And then he said कि सर आपसे मिला तो मतलब मैं 1 महीना और रुकने का मन किया इस शहर में, और तब मुझे एक काम मिल गया. I was like, wow, man. I mean, there's such a fortunate thing that you are a ray of hope for people. And nothing bigger than that.
But जैसे आपने पानीपत mention किया, at what point did you decide कि चलो पानीपत छोड़ के अब बॉम्बे चलते हैं? Was it because your brother was already here, he's a part of the industry?
Not really. Not at all, actually. But जब मुझे ये realize हुआ that I'm wasting my time there. Like, I wanted to... क्योंकि I was studying something. I was pursuing BBA. And I was in the middle of it. And I realized that it is not for me. I want to be somewhere else. I want to give my energy, or I want to... Like, that just wasn't feeling the right place where I wanted to be. Like, I was wasting my time there in terms of not being able to explore what I want to. मुझे एक्टिंग करनी थी, तो उसके लिए ये बॉम्बे महानगरी इधर आना ही है. एक बार तो आना है. अब थैंकफुली वी हैव अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड वर्टिकल्स जहाँ आप अलग अलग शहर में रह के भी काम कर सकते हो. बट एक बार तो आपका आना पड़ेगा. जब मैं आया था तब तो आना जरूरी था. इट वाज मैंडेटरी. तो it has always been time for me more than anything. Like yours time, my time. We were just talking about the value of time.
Yes.
So it has been that for me. जहाँ आपको लगे ना कि आप शायद अपना पूरा potential नहीं दे पा रहे हो. And I believe it's the biggest myth when people believe that they have time. They don't. There's always something or the other to achieve. The goals which we set, that I had set for myself 5 years before, they were very little goals. And as I travel my way through life, I realize ki wow, there's so much more to achieve, you know. So it just keeps on changing and changing, and you should never live in a myth that you have time. You don't.
But was Bombay always kind to you जब आप पहली बार आए?
Thankfully, Bombay has been kind. Yeah. From all the, of course, the struggles also, you know, you just feel different. It's just a success when you are said, oh, you are fit for the audition, come. वो audition देना ही success है. Forget अगर मिल गया तो I mean आप हो गया, you are through. You are not thinking of anything else in the world. आप बोलते हो कि हाँ मैं सेट पे जाने को मिलेगा मुझे, wow. Like you are through. आपको वो 6 महीने का इंस्पिरेशन मिल जाता है उस सेट पे. To keep going, to handle the struggles well, to keep your mindset very well. Because in this city, I mean, it's just sometimes it is overwhelming. I won't shy away from the fact. But yeah, I mean.
But जब इतने auditions देते हैं, there are rejections also, then good things also happen. क्या कभी ऐसा point था जब लगा हो कि यार why are things not working out in my favor?
Oh, a lot of times. A lot of times. A couple of things I would like to mention. जब मुझे एक फिल्म मिली थी, वो काफी बड़ी फिल्म थी, काफी अच्छी फिल्म थी, एंड समथिंग ऑफ सॉर्ट्स वाज हैपनिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, लाइक मुंजा वाज हैपनिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. एक क्रीचर जिसके ऊपर स्टोरी बेस्ड है, दिस दैट, ऑफ कोर्स यूजिंग अ क्रीचर ऑन दिस लेवल. तो वो भी उस तरीके की फिल्म थी, एंड आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट. आई प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर लाइक 6-8 months. After preparing for 6-8 months, if you tell a new person who has come out, who's not from Bombay, जो सिर्फ उसके बाद एक ही चीज है जो कि सपना है, उसको बोलो कि नहीं यार ये नहीं हो रहा है, it just shakes you to the core. And I remember walking from Bandra to Lokhandwala, where we used to stay before. I just couldn't. I just 100 thoughts running in the mind, and just suddenly the city changed for me. Because the city has always been work, now it's home.
Yeah.
You know, it's just a beautiful feeling. But yeah, of course, the rejections are like a, how do you say?
They're inevitable.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a part of success,
Yes.
so to say. It's just success in disguise is what rejection is.
Yeah.
That is all.
But what kept you positive उस time पे, जब आपने बोला कि जैसे there were 100 thoughts running in your mind, उस time पे how did you make sure कि यार no, I don't have to lose faith in myself? Was it your mom? Was it your brother?
So family obviously, yes, foremost, जो कि आपको थोड़ा सेन रखती हैं और आपको बताती हैं कि कि कोई बात नहीं, ये नहीं हुआ तो कुछ और हो जाएगा, और कुछ और नहीं हुआ तो बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा. तो वो एक फैमिली बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती हैं. एंड थैंकफुली माय ब्रदर बीइंग एन एक्टर, ही अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इट मींस. उनकी बहुत सी ऐसी दो सलाहें एक्चुअली जो कि मैं हमेशा गांड बांध के रखता हूँ कि एक ऑडिशन दो और उसके बाद भूल जाओ. डोंट रिमेंबर दैट ऑडिशन, कि उसका कुछ होगा या अरे उसका कॉल नहीं आया, कॉल बैक आना चाहिए था, ऐसा भूल जाओ. दूसरा, जब तक आपकी पिक्चर थिएटर पे नहीं लग जाती, कुछ भी हो सकता है, प्लीज होल्ड योर हॉर्सेस. डोंट थिंक कि वो पिक्चर हो गई, शूट कर ली, आ जाएगी, कुछ भी है. इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी वॉलेटाइल बिजनेस वेयर इन, you know, we can't ignore that. So just one thing that really has kept me going is just to be able to be true to my work.
Yeah.
Just the basic, क्योंकि नींव अगर strong होती है ना, तो आप मतलब आप बुर्ज खलीफा भी बना सकते हो. It's the tallest building in the world. तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. If you are very true to just the intent of being in front of the camera to act, to perform. Just falling in love with performing arts is what should keep you going. Yeah.
But since आपने audition mention करा, अब मुंजिया की success के बाद भी do you go for auditions, या फिर अब तो बोलते हैं कि नहीं, let's take him, let's get him for the role?
नहीं, both ways it happens now. Some of the other part, just I was speaking to a director and I told him कि sir, let's do a screen test and see. Because मैं हूँ ही वैसा कि ऑडिशन के बिना कुछ होता है तो मुझे अजीब लगता है. But yeah, I mean, so there are stages. You know, I would love to audition for life. I don't mind that at all. But if a director, if a visionary person is believing in you and your work by seeing your earlier ones, I think that's a audition in its own, right?
Yes.
Munjya is an audition for me, which passed. And which passed for 100 crore people.
Yes.
You know, so it was an audition to win that confidence, to win that love, to win that appreciation. Okay, this guy can act. So it's just an audition, if you see it like that.
But ऐसे हुआ है, पहले जिन लोगों ने मे बी मना करा हो, अब वही लोग वापस अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, asking for your dates.
Dates is a fortunate problem. But thankfully everyone's been kind for me, with me. You know, and no, I mean it has happened, but not in a way that you mentioned. कि हाँ यार उन्होंने मना कर दिया, सब मना भी होता है कि sorry यार अबे didn't work out. Because I know where my intentions come from. So I mean the reciprocal is in that sense only. Nobody is rudely said कि निकलो यहाँ से, जाओ, नहीं होगा कुछ. I mean, वो हुआ है, but that's another story. But not in a way कि
to share.
I mean, yeah, a story where people don't believe in you initially, and maybe they want something else than your work or something or the other, or where people don't appreciate. Maybe they have too much to handle in their life to be able to accept someone's audition or जो भी. कुछ भी तो बहुत कुछ है, वो चलता रहता है.
हाँ.
But yeah, it's a fortunate feeling that
Yeah.
dates are becoming a problem.
But what is that sweetest और एक सबसे rudest comment कभी किसी ने बोला? Sweetest तो I am sure बहुत होंगे.
हाँ, मतलब sweetest thankfully है. So the rudest one would be कि आपका कुछ होगा नहीं इस शहर में, आप जा सकते हो वापस.
Look at him now.
I mean, that's the most, and I really thank that person. I remember him from time to time.
Yeah.
That he said this to me, because otherwise the fire,
हाँ, he ignited
yeah,
that fire.
correct. The ignition wouldn't have been at that level. जो वो बिना सुने हो गया, तो वो सुनना बहुत जरूरी था. And वही छोटी सी कहावत है, मैंने कहीं सुनी थी, लगी हो तो जानो, तो वो बात लग गई थी. वो लगने से ना बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. And thankfully it worked out in the favor. It is working out in the favor. So
And the sweetest?
And sweetest would be, it's just the feeling of getting love from all age sectors, or whatever you may call it, in our country. From a grandmother to a 5-year-old girl who sweetly put her favorite cartoon necklace in my neck. And from a grandmother who just, with the dentures, they are laughing. And just someone else, very recently, my friend sent me a video. उनकी ग्रैंडमदर है, उनके दांत नहीं है, लेकिन वो फिर भी हंस रही हैं, तो वो और क्यूट लग रहा है मेरी फिल्म देख के. तो बहुत छोटी चीजें हैं, क्योंकि हम बहुत सुन चुके हैं, बट इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल फीलिंग जब when you realize that you are heard, you're important, your work matters. That is the most beautiful feeling.
But how did King happen?
I mean, that is I don't know if it will happen or not, or to be very honest with you.
It will.
I hope it happens, but nothing is confirmed as yet. People are talking about it. I've been hearing things about it, and I'm very fortunate that I am talked like that, if I can do that. But hopefully, fingers crossed. I mean, that way I'll get to, meet my God, meet my hero.
You haven't yet?
I haven't yet. And I don't
क्या
know
बोलोगे जब
how will I know I might start crying. It might be a very overwhelming thing for me, but let's see. If that happens, it happens. I hope that happens someday. And उनके लिए तो मतलब मैं दीवार पे मच्छर भी बन सकता हूँ पूरी फिल्म में, so that is some other thing. But let's see. I hope that happens. I hope get to relive the reality that I've been playing in my mind throughout all these years.
Yes. घर से दूर, पानीपत से दूर. Do you still feel homesick sometimes?
So in COVID, I realized when lockdown was there, तो काम बंद हो गया था. So that's when I realized my home is where my mom is.
Yes.
So I straight away, I usually also we were talking about it. मैं जैसे ही कुछ भी काम नहीं होता था ना, तो मैं मम्मी के पास चला जाता था पानीपत, to my hometown. Even if there was a week's off, कुछ भी होता था, I straight away my conscience would tell me कि चल घर चलते हैं. तो वो था. Now that my mom has come here, I'm a Mumbaiker now. तो मैं मुंबई वाला हो गया हूँ, thankfully. The city has accepted me. I'm very, very fortunate for that.
यहाँ कौन है आपका best friend? मतलब you have these 3M friends here also, जिनके साथ घूमने जा रहे हो maybe.
यार honestly 3M देखे ही बहुत टाइम हो गया. मेरा 3M आजकल सेट पे हो रहा है, नाइट शिफ्ट कभी चलती हैं तो 3M ऐसे दिख जाता है. But I'm a very early, I go to bed early. तो of course there are a couple of friends, 3 friends, 4 friends, जिनको मैं कभी भी कॉल कर सकता हूँ, और वो मतलब we can go for a drive. I love driving in the night. वो हो सकता है. But हाँ, होम टाउन की बात तो होम टाउन की है. But अब मैं मुंबई वाला हो गया.
हाँ. But like you mentioned, पूरा film industry, the success, the fame. अगर कोई एक चीज इंडस्ट्री में आपको चेंज करनी हो अभी, what do you think should be changed?
I actually believe that we are in a fortunate time. I can't think of changing anything, because supposedly there was a boy who used to feel very suffocated somewhere in a city. And he used to feel कि यार मैं उस देश जाऊंगा तो मुझे acceptance मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी. क्या जो सपने को मैं पूज रहा हूँ, जिसकी मैं पूजा कर रहा हूँ, जिसको मैं भगवान समझ रहा हूँ, क्या उस दुनिया में उस सपने को उतनी इम्पोर्टेंस दी जाएगी या नहीं दी जाएगी. फिर वो लड़का आता है और कुछ ट्राई करता है और उसको एक फिल्म मिल जाती है और वो कमर्शियल सक्सेस हो जाती है और कुछ 150-160 करोड़ टोटल बिजनेस कर लेती है. I don't think there is any need to change. And I'm very happy that boy is me.
Yeah.
So it is a very fortunate thing that we are in, that we don't have to pretend to be someone else to be able to work.
Yeah.
You know, we don't have to play a charade कि हाँ मैं ऐसा हूँ, my lifestyle is that, I know that fancy food. नहीं, मैं अगर दाल चावल खाता हूँ तो मैं दाल चावल खाता हूँ. And people are accepting that दाल चावल and loving it as much as they would appreciate a sushi. So, very big example, but you know what I'm saying.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is, I don't think there's any need to change.
Before we wrap up, all of us know how much love you get on social media. So these are some comments by some of your fans on your social media post.
Oh, lovely.
Basically, pick-up lines hain ya flirt किसी ने करा है. You have to react to these comments. First is, how can you be the hottest and the cutest at the same time?
That is a very hot and cute comment though.
Somebody has written, I want you to be my mama's damad. पूरा मैरिज प्रपोजल है.
हाँ मतलब यार काफी इधर जाके उधर जाके स्वीट, व्हाई नॉट.
अभय की मूवी देखूं या मूवी में अभय को ही देखते रहूं?
नहीं, अभय की मूवी देखो. आई फील अभय की मूवी देखो, वो मेरा काम है कि आप सिर्फ अभय को देखो.
And lastly, excuse me, are you keyboard? Because you are my type.
Oh, like that. I like that. I love the last one.
Yeah.
Wow. Thankfully, yeah, people are.
And there are many.
I hope so.
Yeah. There are.
I hope so. That was it's very sweet. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Abhay, for joining us. Lovely talking to you. All the best.
Thank you, Chirag. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. This is Abhay Verma and wishing News 18 Showsha viewers a Merry Christmas and an even happier New Year.